Myself P.Y. Lalita Chaitanya, lecturer in Commerce, Government City College. Today's topic is stock exchange. According to Securities Contract Act 1956, stock exchange is defined as an association, organization, or a body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating, and controlling business in buying, selling, and dealing in securities. What are the functions of stock exchange? Let us see that what are the main functions of a stock exchange. The first one is ready and continuous market for securities. The stock exchange provides a ready market for securities. These securities, once listed, continue to be traded in the stock exchange. And the second function of stock exchange is ensures liquidity of capital. The stock exchange is a market for existing securities. The market is continuously available for conversion of securities into cash and vice versa. Persons who are in need of hard cash can dispose of their securities easily. The third one is evaluation of securities. The investors can evaluate the worth of their holdings from the prices quoted in different exchanges for those securities. The securities are quoted under the free atmosphere of demand and supply, and the prices are set on the basis of free market. Stock exchanges are helpful in evaluating any type of security listed there. And the fourth function of stock exchange is mobilize the surplus saving. The stock exchange provides a ready market for various securities. The investors do not have any difficulty in investing their savings by purchasing shares, bonds, etc. from the exchanges. If this facility is not there, then many persons who want to invest their savings will not find avenues to do so. In this way, stock exchanges play an important role in the mapping up of surplus funds of investors. The fifth point is helpful in raising capital. The new and existing concern need capital for their activities. The new concern can raise capital for the first time, and existing units increase their capital for the expansion and diversification purposes. The shares of new concerns are registered at stock exchanges, and existing companies also sell their shares through brokers at stock exchange. The exchanges are helpful in raising capital by both new and old concerns. The sixth point is safety in dealings. The dealings at stock exchange are governed by well-defined rules and regulations of Securities Contract Act 1956. There is no scope for manipulating transactions. Every contract is done according to the procedure laid down, and there is no fear in the minds of contracting persons. The seventh function of a stock exchange is listing of securities. The company which wants its shares to be traded on stock exchange should list their securities by applying to the stock exchange authorities, giving all the details regarding capital structure, management, etc. Next, move on to the next point, that is raising public debt. The increasing government role in economic development has necessitated the raising of huge amounts of stock exchange provides a platform for raising public debt. Move on to the next point, that is improve the company performance. In stock exchange, only those securities are traded which are listed. The stock exchange exercise influence over the management of the company.